Alright guys, I'm out here in the garage today and I got a new to me Jonsered 670. A friend of mine gave it to me. It was given to him as a part saw. He took some parts off of it for his 625 and then gave me the rest of it. So I'm going to start cleaning this up, see if I can't get it put back into working service. I got a new stop switch coming. As you can tell, a little on the dirty side. All kinds of dirt and grease impacted it everywhere. Definitely not the cleanest of saws. I got new guide plates and a new clutch kit. But today I'm more about just getting this thing cleaned up, all the built up gunk taken off of it. I'll take the top cover off, do some more investigating. Supposedly the compression on this has got 155 psi, so it should run. See how well it runs, and we'll see how bored and ambitious I get after I confirm that it runs and how well it runs, and we may be doing some mods to this guy. So let's get all this gunk scraped off of this. cylinder actually looks really good. There's the exhaust port down there. You guys probably can't see too much, but I don't see any noticeable scratches or anything on it. Oh, it is so much nasty. See, what people don't understand is by having this dirty and caked with this much oil and sawdust and grime is one, it's hiding a bigger problem. Crank seals go out. Does it have a bad ring? And not only that, but it is making the saw run hotter because it can't cool itself. All this caked on oil and dirt, sawdust doesn't allow the saw to properly cool. So, get the light right. See that guy right there? That's the choke. It's missing part of it. Not supposed to be that much play in there. I can still get these aftermarket, so I'm going to order a couple. Find it kind of curious, it's only got the one port over here on this side. Usually they got a pair of ports sticking up the front. Alright, there's the only exhaust port. Normally they got a... well, some of these bigger saws got a small one here, and then they've got two out here on the front. I'm gonna have to tear into this a little bit more and figure out what's going on with that. But for now, oh, so this is an earlier 670. You can tell that by the fact it's a dual coil. Not the most preferred, but as long as it runs, I don't care. Well, that, and it's got a silver tag. 86 was last year for silver tags. There's that cover. There's not that one. January, February, March. So, if we look at That dial right there, we can tell that this top cover was made in March of 1986. And if I read the serial number right, the year for this saw is 86. It was made the 51st week of 86. And it was 709th saw made that week. So, a little on the old side, but still very cool. Like I said, I've got no money into this. Well, as far as buying it, I've got money into parts, but no money into actually purchasing it. So, I'm going to see what happens with this. If it runs, awesome. I may find some cheap parts, namely the cylinder or the jug, from the land of Almost Right, and see what kind of wizardry magic we can pull on that. See what we can change with this. I have an idea. See if I can get there. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the videos. And until the next time, see you later.